Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your GitHub repository. This is really simple. First of all, just log into your GitHub. Then you just need to go to the repository that you want to delete. For my case, I want to delete this repository, so I'll just click on it. Then it will take me to the repository, and here you can see at the top we'll have this setting option. So just find the setting option in the repository, then click here settings. Then you just directly need to go down. Then you will see this danger zone option. Then if we just go down, there you can see delete this repository. So we need to click on this button. If we just click on this button, delete this repository, and it will ask for a confirmation. Yes, I want to delete this repository. Then click here because it will be deleted permanently. So I have read and understand those effects. So here, in order to confirm it, we need to just type this Yamin Shakil HTML Pro, which is our repository name. So I'll just copy this, then paste it here and click here, delete this repository. If you just click on it, it might ask for your password. So I'll just give my GitHub password here, then click confirm. And there you go, the repository was successfully deleted. So this is how you can delete your GitHub repository. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.